In this guide, I'm going to show you the best place to find rusted gears here in Arc Raiders. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to farm rusted gears efficiently, what you're going to want to do is open up the map. And you could really go onto any map on this. But for example, let's just say, we'll go onto the blue gate. You can hit inspect, and what you're going to want to do specifically is look for these industrial looking like symbol areas, just like so, especially spots with lots of cars. These places are going to have a much higher drop rate. And a great example actually is on this map right here, the blue gate map. There's actually an underground garage area on this map that is absolutely phenomenal for going ahead and getting these. It also does have this industrial building section right here above it, and it's highlighted yellow. This should be the warehouse complex, just like so. Head to this area, and you should be good to go. In my personal experience, and in the community's experience as well, Bluegate has given me the most. Bluegate has given us the most rusted gears, and the underground section is definitely the hotspot in this area. So just anytime you see the industrial symbol on the map, because you don't exclusively have to be in Bluegate, just like so, go ahead and search it. In areas filled with cars and machinery, that's going to be the best spot. Just make sure to loot everything, just because rusted gears do show up in these areas the most. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.